Welcome to SavvyDox, a mobile document management solution that's simplified beyond anything you've seen in the past. In this video segment, we're going to demonstrate how easy it is to review and collaborate on a document using SavvyDox on an iPad. SavvyDox has been downloaded from the Apple Store, and you'll notice there is one change highlighted on the SavvyDox icon. Tap on the SavvyDox icon, and this screen shows you all of the documents that you have published and all of the documents that you have received. You can file the documents in collections that make sense to you. Here we tap on Hands Favorites, and we see that there are two documents, and the green check on the upper left-hand corner of the document indicates that the document is current. On the left-hand document, we're on version 16. While on the right-hand document, you can see that there have been 10 changes since the document was last published. When we tap on the document on the right, the content of that document is displayed. This is where SavvyDox key differences are highlighted. You can see at the bottom of the screen there are 10 changes since the last version of this document. Tap on the icon on the bottom right-hand side of the screen, and those page thumbnails identify the only pages where changes have occurred. Tap on page 17, and highlighted in the middle of the screen is the change. When you tap on the change, it identifies the previous wording. It's important to note that you're reviewing a clean page without all of the word change tracking colors and strikeouts. This provides you with an easy-to-use and easy-to-read alternative to Microsoft Word change tracking, while still using Word to create and maintain the document. At the bottom of the screen, the Delta 3 indicates that we're comparing version 3 to version 4 of the document. The little eyeglasses that are on version 4 indicate that it's the last version you've read. Let's assume the eyeglasses are on version 2. If you want to compare version 4 to version 2, tap on version 2, and you can now see that there are 13 changes rather than 10 changes between version 2 and version 4. Last but not least, let's take a quick look at notes and how they create a parallel and synergistic collaborative review experience in SavvyDox. I'm going to highlight Showing Notes in this menu, and up pops a note. Unlike Microsoft Word change tracking, where adds or changes normally modify the format of the document, you're putting your suggested change in this text box, so it never modifies the document format. It can be a personal note, as identified here on the left side of the screen, or it can be a note back to the author, or it can be a note to everyone. I've identified that this note will go to everyone for collaborative review, and as soon as I close the note, everyone on the recipient list sees that comment. Sharing comments in a parallel review enables a much stronger synergy among reviewers, and it's important to note that while all recipients can suggest changes to the document, only the author can change the original document. One last important feature. This return arrow allows you to link comments to original notes so that they go back to the author. The author will see a linked list, making it much easier to modify the document in Microsoft Word. On the basis of this intuitive user interface, most users are fully functional on their iPads within 10 minutes of viewing a brief online video tutorial. They get the full benefits of review and collaboration without ever having to leave their desk.